Nigeria are dying in Ethiopia prison. They say over 250 Nigeria is currently dying in Ethiopia prison and nobody is talking about it. Hello my people. No be small thing o. They say one Nigeria army don come outside talk say why they go dey celebrate and they talk about Mohbad. Say why them be army dey inside bush dey fight, nobody is talking about them. Wahala. Okay my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Please give this channel a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, very important, and turn your notification bell for more updates as they come. Sharp with the drop am. They say Nigerians are currently dying in Ethiopia prison and no one is talking about this. The report has carried along that is one young man has reportedly died and also a lady with others who are dying secretly. But this one's leak due to they find a cell phone and call their relative. That this has been going on for a very long time. Ethiopians are slowly killing Nigerians in their prison. The people, not that people are going to Ethiopia, but on transit. They will allegedly accuse you of one thing and you will end up being in their prison. Please, this video is a video you will not like to skip. If you have a brother or a sister where they travel for anywhere, where they travel, come on, you need to share this video to make him watch and see what they go on for Ethiopia. I'm going to play you a video so that he will analyze it more better, where you can understand according to the message and other information where they pass through him. But bear it in mind that most of people who have died there, at least one Igbo man has become a victim of this thing. And other tribes for Nigeria are also dying there. If you are a traveler, please avoid Ethiopia transit for now. Let's play the video for you to watch.
Yes, I want to pass on this information. It is very important about Nigerians who are in prison in Ethiopia. If you get this information, please share this information intensively. It is going to help a lot of people. I've had over 15 people send me one and the same information on my inbox, and have asked me to pass on this information on this platform. So if you get this message, kindly share the message intensively. Share and you tag Nigerian embassy based in Ethiopia. There are over 250 Nigerians who are about to be quiet. Let me just use this word. I'm using this word so that you understand because of the platform. In Ethiopia, who are in prison in Ethiopia. This is what is happening. Most of these people, they are people that were on transit, that were transiting through Ethiopia. They get to the airport, and some few things. Sometimes, if you have a passport that has an issue or something, these people are directly taken from the airport. Sometimes they take them to the hospital. From the hospital, these people are sent directly to the prison without any trial. And when you are inside the prison, they will bring to you a document that is just giving the terms terms that you are supposed to be in prison for you to sign. According to the information that the person sent on my inbox, they said there are over 250 people inside that prison in Addis Ababa, in Ethiopia, and that they have tried everything that they can try for the Nigerian embassy in Ethiopia to help them, but the embassy has not been able to do anything for them. Each time they call on the embassy will say they are going to look into their situation, or they are going to help them. But at the end of the day, the embassy end up not doing anything. So we already have 2 Nigerians who are no more that were inside that prison. One just passed away in this September, first week of September. You will be seeing it on this platform. You will see all the 2 guys have already passed out of the 250. According to the information I'm hearing, they say there are over 500 people in that prison. About 500 Africans, and the living condition in that prison in Addis Ababa is not the best. They say the living conditions are deplorable. The ventilation is not proper. The sanitary situation in the prison is not the best. This guy you're seeing on the screen contacted tuberculosis when he was in that prison. The guy was actually transiting, according to what the person who inboxed me explained. They said the person was transiting, and then from the airport he was picked up. That at the airport, this is what happened at the airport. Basically, they say at the airport they start talking to you in a kind of way, and when you respond to them in a particular way or in a way that is not pleasing to them, they will directly bring in the police. The police will come, they will not listen to you. They will pick you up from that airport. Sometimes they take you to the hospital, do some checks with you in the hospital. From the hospital, they're moving you directly to the prison, and you will be in the prison for as long as they wish. If nothing is done, you will remain in the prison. There are some people inside the prison who are having 20 years, 18 years, 15 years that have never gone through the courts. So these people are passing on this information. They want us to help. They want me to help them pass this information on to you, that the Nigerian government or whatever power that be should see into that situation in Ethiopia. What is happening to them in Ethiopia? They should look into the situation and extend them a helping hand. I will put up the pictures of the people that have already passed away from that prison on this platform, so that you guys should look through. As we're building the continent, trying to put ourselves together, there's a need that we should do the right thing. There should be no kind of strict justice or some kind of things when we are treating our fellow Africans. So what is happening in Ethiopia? Over 500 Africans are locked up in Addis Ababa, and we have about 250 Nigerians who are in critical conditions. So the Nigerian embassy in Addis Ababa, according to what the person told me, has not been able to help them. That's what they're saying, that there's no way. They have written to the embassy to come and look into the complaints, listen to what they're saying, that they were not doing anything wrong. They were simply transiting through Ethiopia, traveling, and they were picked up, and they have not been able to be judged or taken anything else. No statement has been taken. So what I want from you guys is to share this video extensively, because when you share, it can reach somebody that can be able to help these people. When we had a discussion, we had a lengthy discussion. They also gave me a number, their own contact number, and it is not something that is easy. It is a very serious situation. So when you are sharing, tag somebody that has a competent power to help out these people. Call the embassy in Ethiopia, the Nigerian embassy in Ethiopia, and find out from them what exactly is happening to those Nigerians, over 250 of them locked up in Addis Ababa. 2 people have already gone as you and I making these videos. One just passed away, who was transiting through Ethiopia. He left Qatar or somewhere, was coming through, got to the airport, was there. They took him, sent him to the prison. He contacted tuberculosis. He was struggling, calling, trying to find out from the embassy that he is sick. He has passed out, and a lady already passed out already, and there are still more who are in critical conditions. So the Nigerian government should look into this situation, investigate, call the people that are in call the embassy in Addis Ababa to find out what is happening with those Nigerians that are in Addis Ababa in prison over there. It is very important to find out what is wrong with them, what happened to them, what transpired. We are not in any way contributing to crimes. If you commit a crime, you have to be tried and sent to prison. But other than that, We have to investigate what is wrong, that some people are being picked up from the airport and sent directly to the prison, and a statement is given to them for them to sign if they are guilty, and then sign with a jail term given already on the paper for them to sign without going through the court or without anything properly given like a judgment. Please share this video intensively. As you're sharing, please tag somebody that can look into this situation in Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. Over 250 Nigerians are in a critical condition. Thank you so much. As you share, may God bless you. Thank you.
Come back as I've watched that video and see what is going on in Ethiopia. Please avoid transit for Ethiopia for now if you are in Nigeria, especially if you are from Southeast, if you are from Biafra, because nobody will talk for you. The embassy will not talk for you. Be very, very careful if you are going through those ways. Things are really happening. As you hear them, so we hear them. I bet let's go and look into the army man where we say come outside, come paro, say why did they celebrate Mohbad death? Say no, only one musician that they celebrate, why they not they celebrate them? Let's play you the video for you to watch.
I know why they verse Nigeria. I know why they verse. When my phone, my face don't do tight like this. Now things are they happy. No go happy for now. No go tell you now lie. 24 hours. So they go dey bush for security purpose. Now no go appreciate them. Even if when I see some for road like this for street, now go do them shaggy. Now go even tell them say go. No go pray for soldier. One musician will die. The whole internet don't full. For how many days? The internet don't full. One person picture. But this uniform, we go guide now 24 hours. I know they give them respect. Which kind of nonsense with that Nigeria? We they happy with each other. Soldier we go they guide now. Now go they do rubbish. But one musician will die. A celebrity. Everybody don't put eye off on net. If something come past for corner, go they do now. Who they after? Soldier go die, 10,000 soldier go die. When I go the day there, go say, make them die. Now go they plan hype up. Now go they plan Boko Haram. Now go plan kidnapper every. See, now no go see you na true. Don't want to now. Anybody wey pull head go collect to. May no con die like Mohbad die too. Mona open una eye Nigeria so mona shine una eye. The one una. Mona know they put one egg for one place so. Mona put egg for different basket. Mona look for better thing. Mona no look for good thing. See me at the bush for how many days? Now because of you. And you go see me for road, you no go respect me. Danko banka where I go catch you for road, you no give me my compliment. I will finish you. Allah. May God no see make no go no turn your face come my side where you no give me respect. Allah, I'll go show you waiting this thing in me. Things are na buy come try me now. May you see. No be me and you been there for street together. Oh yeah, come try me. You go collect go to.
You see, this is why they call it Zoological Republic. Because it's not your work. Yes, we all are social media. You watch other countries' army. Have you ever seen them coming out on social media? How Nigeria army come out on social media to open their mouth? Have you ever seen that happening? Because they are busy doing the needful. They are busy doing the needful. Even the army itself want to be firm as well. Why you be there protecting your border? You are there making video talking about the infants are seeking the justice for him. How is it your business? I beg you, my people, now so we see more and now we say more carry and come give una. Please share this video, very, very important, regarding of our brother who are dying. Remember that those people who are dying there, which you are calling Nigerians, are the Igbo Biafras are dying in Ethiopia. Share this video, very, very important.